Good day everyone, it's me again Kim Valiente and welcome back to my channel.
Zombie Apocalypse.
Ayan mga kaibigan, for today's video, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa lahat ng nagbigay ng flowers, chocolates, letters and all. Actually, today is we are celebrating the Catholic Personnel's Day dito sa school namin. So it is part of our tradition and culture that our students will give something to their teacher. So isa ako doon sa nakatanggap and I am so grateful for the students who gave flowers, pagkain, chocolate and all. So gagawin natin ngayon is gusto ko lang i-shout out lahat ng nagbigay. So sana lahat ng mga item na binigay nila may pangalan para ma-recognize sila. So unang-una, yung pinakahuling nagbigay talaga is ito. Fresh lumpia. So pagkain po talaga sa I tried kanina. This is my first time I guess na kumain ng fresh lumpia. Many times na pala. And then masarap. Gusto ko lang pasalamatan sila ni Rad, of course si Aaron, Roland, si Roy, at si Lego, and marami pang iba. So, thank you for giving this food, and at least timing kailangan mag-fasting and abstain. So, at least safe tayo dito. So, thank you for giving this. And napamoy sa lasa ko, so watch out. Patanahuman. And syempre gusto ko rin i-acknowledge ito, nagbigay ng flowers si Sigrid at saka si Sugar Ray. Yan, walang pangalan. So, but anyway, thank you. Unahin natin yung mga flowers, okay? Ito, ay, walang pangalan. Thank you so much for this. And another flower, nagbigay, wala pa rin pangalan. Ay, meron. Parang si ano to, si Charles. Ay, hindi si Charles. Walang pangalan. But anyway, thank you for these flowers. And also, I have this. Ito, kilala ko ito. Si Charles Galensoga. Charles, thank you for giving this flower to me. So cute. Nindot kayo. Ito, nagbigay si Ma'am Melanie. Ma'am Melanie, thank you for this, Ma'am Mel. Ma'am Aubrey ba? Si Ma'am Aubrey yata. Si Ma'am Aubrey to. Ma'am Aubrey, thank you. And also another flowers. Walang pangalan, but anyway, thank you. Flowers again. We also have here. Eto, walang pangalan. Nako, sayang, walang pangalan. You will not be acknowledged. But thank you. Kilala ko nagbigay nito si Mar. Mar, thank you, Mar. Wala pa rin pangalan. Walang pangalan. But ito, si Ate Susan. Ate Susan, thank you for this. Si Sanse nagbigay kanina. And this one, walang pangalan. Sa bagay, no, hindi naman kailangan may pangalan kung sino yung nagbigay. Importante, nagbigay. Or, shall we say, para sa akin, it's also good na may pangalan para ma-recognize. A bouquet. Ito, bouquet with Cloud9. Sino nagbigay? Sana may pangalan. I also have here si Cyrene Roa. Thank you for the Cyrene. I have also here, walang pangalan pa din. Sayang. So, thank you. And also, ito. Ang daming nagbigay ng chocolate and on. So, isa-isay natin Yun. Si Sister Rachel. Thank you, Sister Rachel, for this. Another flower, by the way, kay Jude. Kilala ko to. Thank you, Jude, for this flower. And may pa-letter si Japet. Thank you, Japet, sa letter. Binasa ko siya kanina. Medyo emotional tayo sa pagbasa kanina. And also, si Eliza Kate Razonable. Thank you, Eliza. Alam nyo, mas ma-appreciate, well, kung ano yung binibigay, na-appreciate naman natin. Pero para sa akin sa letter, okay na ako sa letters kasi parang pwede ko siyang itago at later on, after 5 years, pwede ko siyang basahin ulit. Yan ito. Hindi ko alam kanina to or baka nahulog lang sa nagbigay kanina. And also, this one. Naku, walang pangalan. Thank you. This one, wala ding pangalan. Pero pwede siyang gamit ballpen. At the same time, ballpen siya. I have also here, wow. Iana, grabe ka Iana, thank you so much ha, every time na celebration, nagay pahatag. Thank you Iana, I really appreciate this. Si Idoria, wow, at least may pangalan. Thank you Idoria. Luis, thank you for this. Sino nagbigay nito? Di ko alam kung sino nagbigay. Naku, ang ganda pero walang pangalan. Thank you. My chocolate. Another chocolate. And this one, binigay ni John. Thank you, John. Highlighters. Thank you, John. Alam mo na kailangan ko to. Thank you, John. And there are some letters. At saka ito. Basta. Ang ganda kasi umiilaw. Oh. Thank you, SSJ. I know SSJ nagbigay nito. Thank you. And lastly, talagang napakaganda at kailangan ko siyang itago. Ito. You know me, Faith Tabal. Thank you, Faith, for this, Faith. Thank you. Again, our SSC President. So far, yun lamang po mga kaibigan. Again, thank you, SSG, for initiating this activity. On behalf of SMART personnel, lubos kami nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng nagbigay. No? Again, SSG, thank you for initiating this. And thank you for this. At least pwede akong kainin. Kasi yung mga chocolate dito, iniiwasan din natin yan. So medyo tumataas yung sugar natin. So yun. And ayun, maraming salamat po talaga. Sobra, super. I guess this will be the last activity we have for this school year. Meron pa? Walang cosplay. Walang cosplay. Yung sa ano talaga ba? That's institutional man ang activity. Ang pinaka-last na activity sa SSG is the election for the new set of officer for school year 2024-2025. So again, medyo emotional tayo pagdating dyan. But anyway, we still have 3 months. Yan, 3 months. And then again, thank you kayo SSG sa inyong activity nga gihatag for us, for the SMART personnel. And shout out kay Gargar and kay Yonome Faith. Wow, nakita na ako sa mga talahilak. So I am just hoping that during turnover ceremony, walang iyakan, walang hilakan. We still have 3 months and we have to give value in it. Magbulag-bulag ta in the future. And sa mga nagbigay nito, napamoy sala sa ko, so we have to settle pa. Not now. I will just find ways. And I don't want to open it. Ayan mga kaibigan, that's all. And thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, ano pa hinintay natin? Just hit the subscribe button. And by the way, we reached the 3,400 subscribers. Thank you so much for all who support. Again, goodbye and thank you.
Click on Zombie Apocalypse.